At Dakota Automation, we are experts in the design, build, and service of custom equipment. This automated glass bead nailing system for the window and door industry is a great example. The process is completely automated and requires no operator interaction. Windows feed in, and the system detects the window size. The back clamp sets up and holds the window in position. The nail head detects window size and location, and then translates the perimeter, nailing the bead to the frame. This fully automated system sets up for a wide range of sizes and styles. Whether you have an idea or just a challenge to solve, let us help you with all of your custom equipment needs. It's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.